When you open the Segmentation Plus Workroom, the grayscale image is displayed, and the labeled image is generated at the same time. The viewer is divided in 4 screens: XY, XZ, YZ, and the 3D viewer. If you prefer a different visualization, you can switch between 1 or 2 screen layout at any time. When the interactive mode is selected, you can use the slider to scroll through the slices. Alternately, you can press the CTRL button and the mouse wheel to scroll through the slices. You can also zoom into a specific area of the image for a closer look. Press the space bar to go back to the initial position. Use the crosshair in one viewer to update the slice position in the other viewers, making the navigation quick and intuitive. For each viewer, you can also have the option to adjust the color map, allow you to customize the contrast and the appearance of the image according to your needs. Finally, in the 3D viewer, you can switch between orthographic and perspective views, and using the camera mode, you can visualize the label file in 3D.